Tired of printing, scanning, and emailing documents back and forth just to get a simple signature? Well, today I will show you how to generate and share a DocuSign signing link directly from your phone, making document signing easier than ever. First, open the DocuSign app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on the plus button, usually found at the bottom of the screen. This will start a new envelope. Next, upload the document you need signed. You can select a file from your phone's storage, cloud services, or even take a photo of a physical document. Once your document is uploaded, you'll need to add the necessary fields for the recipient to fill out, like their signature, date, or initial. Tap on the area where you want a field, and then select the appropriate field type from the options. Now, instead of adding a recipient's email, look for the option that says Create a Signing Link or similar wording. This might be located at the bottom of the screen or under Advanced Options. DocuSign will then generate a unique link for your document. You can then copy this link to your clipboard. Finally, share the link through your preferred method: text message, email, WhatsApp, or any other messaging app. The recipient simply clicks the link, completes the document, and submits it. It's that easy. Now you can relax while your paperwork gets signed seamlessly.